Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle Shorts. I'm the Honey Badger, and this is a new Wolf Creek Roam 850. This is a long bed only 3/4 ton truck or bigger truck camper. It is a step down from the Arctic Fox. It is still a Northwood Manufacturing truck camper. It's got the aluminum superstructure, all the trimmings of good quality that Northwood bleeds and breeds, including the solar, electric jacks, power awning. Going inside, what you're going to see is an L-shaped lounge that can turn into a U-shaped dinette. You have the cabinets that fold down into a bunk bed, air conditioning. You have your 12-volt electric refrigerator, closets on each side, plenty of storage around the queen bed, decent counter space with a one-piece sink, drawers, 3-burner stove and oven, pantry, microwave, furnace. It is considered 4 seasons, and it comes with a bathroom. No generator, just to let you know. And the reason why there's not a generator is a long bed only truck camper. Generally long bed only, does no generator.